Every child carries a spark full of wonder, imagination, and endless ideas waiting to shine. They see the world in color, dream in shapes, and tell stories in their own special way. But how can those little sparks of creativity come to life? Starting with just a few simple lines. Big news! The Happy Buddy universe just got even more creative. Say hello to Happy Buddy. Drawing with Buddy. Proudly brought to you by DTP Publishing. The exciting new series that makes drawing time a hands-on adventure, full of color, imagination, and learning. It's fun with purpose, and it's made for every little creator. Specially designed to support pre-A1 learners, CEFR level. This series gently introduces the foundation of early learning through art, play, and joyful discovery. It's where play meets purpose, and creativity takes center stage. Each book introduces essential early skills through art. Kids won't just be drawing, they'll be improving hand-eye coordination, boosting creativity, and developing early thinking and problem-solving skills. The series grows right along with your child, offering a clear, step-by-step path. Ages 3 and up, little ones start with the basics: how to hold crayons, color inside shapes, and recognize simple colors like red, blue, and green. Fun and easy tasks help them build confidence and coordination right from the start. Ages 4 and up. As kids grow, they start mastering fine motor skills. Creative activities like decorate the bag or time for a bath. Guide them to draw smooth lines, follow steps, and finish a complete picture on their own. Ages 5 and up. Here's where creativity meets early logic. Kids explore numbers and problem-solving through fun challenges like creating pictures with numbers, turning the number 1 into a lighthouse. They also practice drawing with care, coloring with focus, and placing stickers precisely, all while following step-by-step directions to complete each scene. Every completed activity earns a special reward sticker, a fun way to celebrate progress, build pride, and keep that love for learning alive. Crucially, every single lesson includes clear and actionable guidance for parents and teachers designed to provide the perfect support, ensuring children can successfully execute the creative ideas born in their imagination. Happy Buddy! Drawing with Buddy comes in bright, colorful printed books for hands-on fun and in easy-to-access ebooks for learning anytime, anywhere. Visit eduhome.io to discover the all-new Happy Buddy Drawing with Buddy series today. Stay tuned. The learning journey is unstoppable. Get ready for the next breakthrough in the Happy Buddy universe. Happy Buddy Life Skills. A whole new chapter of real-world learning is on the way. Let's draw a brighter future together with Happy Buddy.